welcome back to my channel. I wasn't actually planning on vlogging today, but I guess we are going to vlog. I have pre-scheduled content that I'm supposed to be filming and uploading to my channel, but I guess today is a vlog before lockdown, and I'm probably going to be uploading this first before any other content that I've already filmed. Is my door closed? Yes, it is. Yeah, I just needed to come to the shops to get some hand sanitizer. No, sorry, not hand sanitizer, hand wash, because I'm currently running out of my hand wash. And yeah, I'm trying not to panic for the next 21 days. But it is a lot for all of us to deal with right now. But this is basically a day in my life vlog before lockdown. So let's head on back home. Why is this taxi driving in the middle of nowhere? God, when I tell you guys, he was in 2 lanes. Gosh, I should probably lower the volume so we don't get copyrighted. It's very stressful being a first-time driver, you guys. Don't let it fool you. Oh, I need my window roll down because I am turning. I'm just letting everybody know that I'm turning now. I talk to myself all the time, you guys. Anybody else do this? No? Just me? Okay. Ooh, how I hate boom gates. I'm not changing gears because these boom gates stress me out so bad. I always scared I'm gonna roll, so. On my phone right now because I don't know what I need to get my camera to stand on somewhere on my dashboard. Sorry you guys have to see this thing. Okay, can I not drive so fast though? Like seriously, where are you going? Where are you going, sweetie? Okay guys, so I am back. As you guys can see, I did a little bit of rearranging in my room. So yeah, I actually wasn't going to vlog this week. I was just gonna take the day off, but I took yesterday off. Because it was just a very overwhelming day. It's been a lot. I have a lot to do today. And yeah, it's just crazy, you guys. The president of South Africa announced last night that we are officially on lockdown for 21 days starting from the 26th of March, which is day after tomorrow. Anyway, we're gonna try and have a good vlog. It's just a very stressful time because obviously you guys know I had an event happening on the 4th of April, so now I've got to, you know, kind of figure out what everybody wants to do, especially the attendees, and just give them a few options with regards to a way forward. It's just a lot right now. By the way, I just washed my hands. So why are we not, like, we're not allowed to touch our faces, right? But why all of a sudden now do we have like intense itches on our face? I don't get it. Anyway, it's just it's a crazy time right now. I just want to encourage everyone to, you know, stay sane, keep your sanity. For my own sanity, I'm gonna be still creating content just as an escape, you know. But yeah, let's all stay positive, as positive as we can. I know it's a really rough time for a lot of businesses right now, mine included. I've had so many cancellations, you guys. And I know so many other makeup artists have also had lots of cancellations, and it's a crazy time. But we're gonna enjoy this vlog, and my niece and I are gonna be making Hungarian tart today, so I'm gonna quickly just find a recipe on my phone, and then I guess you guys will bake with us. Can you get me the sugar?
The sugar?
Yeah.
Normal sugar?
Yeah, white sugar. I need 1 cup though. That's not 1 cup. That's not 1 cup. Go get the flour and the sugar.
Is it put more to?
No, leave it there, leave it there. I need the sugar for like right now.
What does the sugar look like? I'm too big. I need to bake that.
Find the white sugar, please.
Yum.
This is a difficult portion. We could have actually heated up this thing, but it's fine. Okay. You read the recipe out for me?
Okay. What we need. Oh, the method. 170 to 175 degrees Celsius.
170 to 175.
Yeah.
Okay, yay, now we're making progress. Okay. What's next there?
Next step, add egg and vanilla essence, beat well.
Egg.
Okay. We need vanilla essence.
With vanilla essence.
It's in the cupboard.
Is this a perfect egg?
I need 2 eggs. Jared, how many eggs?
It just says add egg, no, 2 eggs.
How much vanilla essence did it say?
It says 2 what? Oh yeah, 2 teaspoons vanilla essence.
It's fine. When you're adults, you just eyeball everything.
So crazy.
Wow, Katie, look. You almost made it.
I usually just put it in the cap.
Looks yummy.
Smells nice. What looks yummy? This looks yummy. It's raw.
I know.
Sorry.
I don't know why that's ER.
Oh, Father God. Oh, Father God. Oh, Father God. Good.
So misty. I like to make ice. Mesh. I just put my finger here and just mess the entire universe.
Okay, repeat the next steps.
Okay, and the next step, press 2 to 3 of the pastry into a greased tin or large rectangular casserole. Press 2/3 of the pastry into a greased tin or large. Yeah, I'm doing it now.
Okay, you spread this half, Katie.
Okay.
Slowly, don't hit the sides. You spread the side. Oopsie, sorry.
Now it's good.
Make sure you get the corners.
Looks like yummy.
It does.
Are we done with the flour?
We are.
Can I put it away?
Yes, please.
It's more. So that's what you do. You grate it like. So when I make this, I want to do it on this side so that it's nice and smooth.
It won't make a difference.
I know, but I want to make
dough.
it smooth.
Bake for 30 minutes.
And got into...
I'm getting hungry and tired.
We're not gonna cut it into flavors.
We're gonna cut it into squares. But only when we're eating.
The time right now is my niece and nephew take over my room.
Ding.
Anyway, so after lunch they usually come to my room for like 2 hours and watch YouTube videos and Unspeakable. And who else?
And Lego Minecraft.
Yeah, Lego Minecraft, Squirrel Stampede.
And Preston.
Yeah, and Preston plays.
Who's Preston's Unspeakable's friend?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
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 Video and destroy Minecraft sword. It
Those are nice.
transforms from a diamond pickaxe to a diamond sword. What happens to that?
Yummy. Okay guys, now it's a little bit of admin time. Yeah, it's just very crazy right now. Okay guys, so it's about 23 minutes past 2. It's about admin time right now, so I'm gonna sit through some admin, do some admin. I haven't been getting a lot of emails because obviously we are going to be on shutdown. But in case you guys are wondering which hand wash I purchased today, is the Dettol original hand wash. This is 500 ml at Clicks. It costs 50 bucks, I think 50 bucks per pack. I actually got 2 because my hand wash that's currently in my bathroom, I'm literally almost out of that. So yeah, I definitely had to repurchase hand wash, and that's pretty much I think all I needed for now. So yeah, I am about to do some admin, just going to contact some peeps and all that good stuff, have a little bit of a chat with the attendees of the Slay Sessions makeup class and see a way forward, see if we can discuss a way forward. I felt like I always had a feeling we were gonna have to postpone this event. I just wanted to make a well-informed decision because all of the tickets were sold before the virus hit. So, or before the virus hit. Maybe I shouldn't say the full name because I've heard some people are getting demonetized for that. So anyway, I am gonna go ahead and do some admin and all that good stuff, and I guess I'll chat to you guys in a little bit. Oh, I also didn't tell you guys that when I got home we realized that we didn't have butter to make the Hungarian tart, so I had to go back to the shops. And yeah, I think the security guard at the shops pretty much knows me now because every time he sees me he knows he's got to spray my hands. So yeah, it's a crazy time right now, you guys, but remember I have a guy here, so but remember, let's all stay positive, let's all stay level-headed. It is a very difficult time, not just for us but for the world right now, and we just need to learn to practice kindness to the people who matter the most. And I think if there's one thing that is taught, oh maybe I shouldn't say that, I think if there's one thing that this virus has taught us is that we really had to focus on the things that matter the most, because life is way too short. A virus can literally plague the earth and wipe out thousands and millions of people at a time, and it could even be one of our loved ones. You just never know. So stay positive, everyone. Take your vitamins, stay healthy. I'm gonna edit this vlog now so I can get it up for you guys tonight, and I just wanted to give you guys a forewarning that the videos over the next 3 times I upload are pre-filmed, so yeah, I don't think I mentioned much. I think I mentioned something in the video I filmed on Sunday, but I'm not trying to ignore this problem, you guys. I'm really not trying to ignore it, and I think we just have to deal with it and just be united, you know, and stand together, but like from far, from the comfort of our own homes. I think a lot of us are very blessed to be at home and work from home, but there are still people who have to go out there and risk their lives every single day during the 21-day lockdown for all of us. So I just want to send love and light to everybody. I know the lockdown period is going to be difficult for everyone, myself included, even though I love being at home anyway, but it does tend to get lonely and sad, especially if you have existing mental health issues. So yeah, I hope you guys stay in good spirits, stay active. Do you guys want me to vlog my productive days when I'm actually, you know, making sure I have things to do? Because I'm sure there's going to be some weeks where there's just nothing for me to do besides film YouTube content. So let me know if you guys would like to see maybe weekly vlogs, seeing what I get up to. I'm gonna try and post at least 4 times in the next couple of weeks, just to get us all through this lockdown. I know I need it. I need it as therapy more than anything else, and I know some of you out there might need it as well. So let's remain positive throughout this lockdown period. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I will be talking to you guys really soon in the next video. Bye bye.